Hello, wizards, and welcome back to our art class. Do you remember what we did last time? We did a portrait of me. Now that we have a character for our story, we need a setting, because characters need settings. So today we're going to draw a setting. Do you think that you can draw this? You think it's too hard? So let's look at the picture and see how many shapes and lines we can find. Oh, I see a line that goes right across the picture. What other shapes do you see? I see some triangle shapes. Look at those mountains. So for this lesson, boys and girls, you'll need one piece of paper, a pencil, and an eraser. Now we're going to remember some of the shapes and the lines that we saw in order to make our picture. I remember a line that went straight across the paper from one end to the other. Let's start with the mountains. To make that, I remember our triangle shape. I'm going to start with a triangle shape right in the middle of my picture. Now notice my triangle doesn't go all the way to the top. There's some room, and it's right in the middle of my picture. Can you make yours? Well, after you make one triangle shape, can you make another triangle shape right next to it? Let's see. And maybe this one is a little bit smaller. I think we have room for one more triangle shape, and I want to make this one even smaller. So I want big, medium, and a smaller triangle. Do you have your 3 triangles? Big, medium, and small? Well, let's add some more triangles. I want some mountains to be in the back of these mountains. So I'm going to make another triangle shape in between these 2 shapes. And in between these 2 shapes, I'm going to make another triangle shape. Oh, I'm going to make this one even taller and skinnier. Tall and skinny. Look at that tall, skinny mountain. Now let's count how many mountains we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mountains. Oh, I'm going to put a little mountain coming off the paper right here and right here. Now let's count how many mountains we have. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Above our mountains, there's the sky. So let's make some clouds. I'm going to use some squiggly lines. Remember that squiggly? And then I want to attach them. Let's make some more squiggly lines over here. And let's make our clouds different sizes. Let me make some big clouds, some small ones, and some medium ones. You can put your clouds wherever you want, but just remember to give them different sizes. Think small, medium, and large, and spread them out. Now I want to draw what's below the mountains. I remember there was some water. I'm going to make a half circle. That's going to be my water. This is going to be all grass. I'm going to start them at the very top. I want to add some trees before I add all of my grass. Let's grow the tree together. Let's start with the trunk. In order to do the tree, we're going to make 2 lines going up. We're going to use 2 up and down lines. See how they're going up? That's the trunk of the tree. Let's color it in so that we can see it better. Color it in dark. Now we have the trunk of a tree. But what are the other parts of a tree? Our branches. one over here, and one over here. Look at our tree. It's looking almost like the letter Y. Can you do that? It still needs more branches. Let's add another branch in the middle. Now I have 3 branches, but I still want more. So on each of these branches, I'm going to draw another branch, and it's going to be a medium size. So these are my long branches, and now I'm going to draw medium-sized branches on each of my long branches. So I'm going to draw one branch on here, another one on this one, and another one on these. These are the medium. So now we have long branches, medium branches, and now I want some small branches. Small, small, small. I think I want to do another tree on this side, and I'm going to do it the same way. Do you remember how it starts? If you want to add more branches to your tree, you can add as many as you want. I think I'll add a couple of more just to make it look a little bit more realistic, because I know trees have a lot of different branches, and I'll make them different size, big, small, and medium-sized branches. But I'm going to add some more grass. Now notice how I do the grass. I put the grass close together because grass grows close together. Grass doesn't grow like this. No, grass grows very close together and it's clumped together. So if you want to make your grass look realistic, you have to draw lots of it and you have to draw it close together. See how close my lines are together? I also make it different sizes. Some of my lines are small, and some of them are bigger because the grass grows different sizes. Nobody has mowed the lawn, so sometimes the grass is long and tall, and sometimes it's baby grass that's still growing. What else would you find on the ground? Oh, yes? Maybe some rocks? Okay, let's draw some rocks. Oh, I have a lot more grass to do. It's going to take me a while. While I'm doing my grass, what do you think we can add to our picture? Oh, I heard somebody say it. They said they wanted to add snow on the mountains. That's a nice detail. I heard somebody say they want to put leaves on the tree. Well, why not? In order to make my leaves, I'm just going to make lots of pointy oval shapes, and I'm going to put them on my branches. Now you can add as many leaves as you want on your tree. The more leaves you add, the more it will look like summer. Because if you leave your tree with no leaves, it's probably going to be a winter tree. If you put a little bit of leaves on your tree, it can be a fall tree. If you put some flowers on your tree, maybe it's a spring tree, because sometimes the flowers start to bloom on the tree. So you decide what season your setting is in. If you're drawing your leaves, make sure to color them inside. Whoa, now that's a beautiful summer tree. Also, you can continue to add your grass. Make sure that the grass is close together. You see how I'm doing it? I'm not making it spread out like that. Oh no, I can't walk in between grass. It's all clumped together. So I have to fill in all of those in-between spaces. Whew. If you're getting tired, you can take a break.
Wizzy,
Oh, sorry, that's my mummy. Yes, mummy?
time for dessert.
Ooh, what's for dessert, mummy?
Double-decker strawberry shortcake, whipped cream, and rainbow sprinkles.
Yay! I'm so sorry, wizards. I've got to go. It's dessert time. Bye for now, wizards.
Yummy.